Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video for November 24th, Thanksgiving Day, and we're not all up and ready to go, so I'm the only one out here, and it's really quiet because I'm used to hearing everyone walking around and everything, but I'm out here taking care of them. I have them out for now because they got really antsy and wanted to get out. The chickens all over here, you probably haven't seen them because it's been so dark when I videotape. Well, I'll give you their names here. This is Lacey and Dottie because they're Wyandotte, silver laced Wyandottes. Ninja because it's a black sex link, and she's just the skittish one. Buffy because she is a Buffington. Easter because she's a Easter egger. And Red in there, I'll give you a better view of the window. Might be bad camera filming today because it's 27 degrees out, and I'm doing it with bare hands. Red, I'll show you more videos of her and her flock because she's a New Hampshire Red, so that's why I named her Red. And I can feel the heat coming out of the house, so I'm gonna stop opening the door. And then that's Donald right there, that Pekin duck and runner, because she's an Indian runner Muscovy cross. And Donald, because I couldn't think of another name, but I'm trying to think of another name for her. That's Daffy. Midget duck, because he's a mallard. Dewey, right there, and Goliath, the biggest pekin of them all. And, one little lonely hen, and this is Disco Duck. Because you can't see, but she has metallic bars on her, and when the sun shines, all the metallic bars glow. And she does this little funny walk, and she flies kind of funny with one leg kind of out and one leg pulled all the way up in, so it looks like she's got one foot. And she walks kind of funny too. So Disco Duck, and she does a little dance. I think it's I don't know, just her personality, and she's a little crazy one. And yes, I'm gonna clean their pool out. Can you believe it's been 3 days when this has happened? Come on. See, there her little dance goes. It's funny. So, I'll get back to you in a couple minutes, and we'll let the chickens out with the dog. Alright, I got the dog, and we're gonna let the chickens out now. The chicken hasn't laid her egg yet, but I'm gonna let her out, and boy do my hands hurt. Look, they're all red. It's really, really cold out. So I'm gonna let these couple ones out. So she hasn't laid her egg yet, but the gate is frosted shut. Do a little flying action here, maybe. No, it's really cold, so they might not be flying. But I do know one thing, I gotta put my gloves on. So, pause the video and put my gloves on. Alright.